It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite YouTube content creator. Once again, bringing another vid, but this one is a product review. I've been doing this like a lot lately. Whatever, I get these little products, and I want to do reviews on them, especially if I like them. So before we get started, you know what to do: like, subscribe, share, follow my Twitter, my Instagram, which is in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And let's get straight to the video. So basically, this is for men. This video is for men, or let's just say hairy women. So I say that, but I don't even think this would be for them. But this is mainly for men. So as you can see, I got a beard. It's not where I wanted to be. I wanted to be bigger, like I really wanted a beard. So I was just chilling with my homegirl, and I was like, yo, what can I do to get my beard bigger? And she was like, look for beard products. And I never really thought about doing it. The most simplest answer to any, the best answer to any question is always probably the most simplest one. So don't overthink a question is what I'm trying to say. So I went to Amazon, which I have been ordering from like crazy. I got so many different products from Amazon, but I found this one product, and I think it was pretty good, and it just came in the mail, and I wanted to share it with y'all. So this is from Grow a Beard. The box says professional beard tools, all natural and organic, and this is the box that it came in right there. It's the box. So when I got this, so when you look at I will leave the description below. I'm gonna leave a link from the Amazon, from the exact Amazon page I got it from, and I'm gonna leave the website of this product in the description below. So when I was looking at it, I was like, damn, this is a lot of stuff. And then I thought, I got this, and I was like, whoa, did they give me all my stuff? But everything that is in the picture is in this box. So let's open it up. It's a lot of stuff in here. So first, I'm gonna put stuff on the bed, and then I'm gonna go by one. So don't worry about if you can't see it from the bed, nothing like that. It's a lot of stuff in here. Boom. And I will give y'all the best information about how to use these products, but I am not an expert at growing a beard. If I was, I wouldn't have to go looking for this stuff, but I will give you the best information I can give you. So I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, all right, the box is now empty. All right, cool. So grow a beard. Yeah, grow a beard right there. So first thing we're gonna pick up is it comes with a brush. Nice sturdy brush. Actually, a friend of mine was saying that brushes like this actually are kind of expensive. This kit itself was only $25-$30, I think, with tax. He was telling me like the beard brushes are like $15-$20 alone. So for this to be included, it's a steal. So it says Grow a Beard. It has the logo on it. Being weak is a choice. That's what it says. Being weak is a choice. Right there on it. Nice beard. So you know this is to brush your beard once you get it all straight. Got this came in it. We have beard conditioner and beard shampoo. I'm not gonna lie to you. There you go, right this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've washed my beard before, but never with like shampoo or conditioner, let alone beard shampoo or conditioner. So this is all this is new to me. I like this grooming stuff. I like to just be clean, take a shower, be clean, wash my face, brush my teeth, all that. But I never really gone into details of singling out a certain part of my body to focus on that, which is going to be my beard. So I'm actually looking forward to this. But yeah, this is the conditioner and the shampoo. Nice size. I mean, this is not gonna last forever, but for a beginner like me, this is pretty good. So we got that. This is little mini scissors. I want to say this is like like trimmers. I want to say I want to use that word. I could be wrong, but trimmers. So basically, like when you pick out your beard or whatever, and got the like you could probably see it in my beard right now. Got little extra hairs just hanging down, whatever. This is just so you can get neat, so it can look neat. You look presentable, everything like that. You don't want to go outside looking like a homeless guy, so like that. So you got those. We have this. This is the beard oil. Excuse me if I have an accent. I'm from Baltimore, so it sounds like I'm saying beard or whatever like that. But anyway, this is the oil. It comes. So you put this after you get out the shower, after you kind of towel dries your beard. So you take a shower. So basically, like the order, and I could be wrong, but I'm just going by what my friend told me. So you use the conditioner and the shampoo while you're in the shower. You wash your beard, you get out the shower, you towel dry it, then you add the oil to it. Only like 3 to 4 drops is all you really need. You add that to it. Then you start to brush and everything like that. And this is the one that I was looking the most forward to. So this is like almost like a hot comb. So basically, like, this is just to comb your beard, and it's gonna be hot. Like how girls got the flat irons and stuff like that, but this is for your beard. You could also use it for your hair too. If you, I got dread, so I'm not gonna use it. But like if you know them guys that, not being racist, but like the Hispanic guys that got the little curl up like that. Those like, it actually has a picture right here that show you how you use it, instructions on how you use that. And you can see right there at the top, hair, and at the bottom is the beard, well, like that. So this is pretty dope. So this came in there too. So it's instructions of everything, the different parts of it, and then so that's good. Because when I got it, I was like, oh, I'm gonna be lost. I'm gonna set my beard on fire. So what else? Comes with a two-way comb. This is nice with the little and the big ones like that. So and it says grow a beard. Being weak is a choice. So that logo, nice. I like this, like this. These are shears, or what is it called? I forgot. That's what the old time. My lady, she actually made a joke. She was like, "People still use this?" Like, and then she said the 1900s. I don't know why she said the 1900s. Like, nobody was using it like in the 80s and 90s. But whatever. But this is it right here. The shit. Listen. I have zero information about how to use this. I would fuck around and slit my throat if I try to use this. So I will not be using this part. Even me watching a YouTube video like I'm making right now about how to use it, I still somehow would find a way and fuck up. So I will not be using this. And it's sharp. I mean, they're supposed to be sharp, but listen to that. Listen. Like, this terrifies me. Like, this is some 13 reasons why shit. So we will be putting this up, and we'll be putting it right back into the little carrying case, which I think is kind of nice. It's plastic. Boom, right there. And this will be going to the side. I think this is an extra blade. I want to say that. Yes, it's an extra blade. So I'm not going to cut myself, but extra blade it comes with. So that's, and last but not least, we have the beard balm, BALM. Again, my accent, so excuse me for that. But this is what you put on after you've done everything else. You've already showered, conditioned, shampooed your beard. You already hot combed it, or whatever you want to call this. You already picked it out, combed it, brushed it, trimmed it. This is what you want to put right before you about to leave out to keep your beard nice and moist, and so it don't be dry, and have a nice little, not shine to it, not just a nice little glow. Now I saw some people doing reviews on balms and oils, and they show like, you know, the actual oil, and they tell you how it smells. As you can tell, this is not open. None of these products are open, not yet. I'm not going to use these. I'm actually going to use them for the first time tomorrow. I go back to work tomorrow, so I'm going to use it before I go to work. So I recommend an hour before you have anywhere to go, so you can get through everything. So like you're not gonna need an hour, but I just recommend an hour. So you shower, you comb, you brush, you add the stuff, because I was told that before you apply this, wait 30 minutes after you do everything else, then apply this. So you want to count that 30 minutes you waited. I heard 20 to 25 minutes, whatever. You wait that plus the showering time. So give yourself like an hour. That's what I would recommend. I gotta be to work tomorrow at 10. I usually leave my house at like 9, so I'll probably do this around like 8 o'clock. You feel me? So yeah, but that's pretty much it. Try to get as detailed as possible. Sorry about that, like if it wasn't more detailed, but you know, just wanted to give a little product review for Grow a Beard. Like I said, I will leave the Amazon link and the actual link to this product in the description below. It will be right under my Twitter and my Instagram, so make sure you go follow that. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. That's pretty much it. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite YouTube content creator, you know what to do. Have a nice day.